welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Dikshita, welcome to my channel. So recently I bought a lot of affordable slash drugstore products from Nykaa in their Nykaa summer sale. I got a lot of products, so it's like I have kind of full face of makeup with me. There are a couple of products which I don't have, so मैं पुराने products use करूँगी उसके लिए. बाकी सब मेरे पास नए products हैं which I'm going to try for the first time in today's video. एक प्रोडक्ट ऐसा है जो मैं ऑलरेडी एक बार ट्राई कर चुकी हूँ. बाकी सब प्रोडक्ट्स जो हैं वो मैं पहली बार ट्राई कर रही हूँ इस वीडियो में, एंड आई केम अप विद दिस लुक. So if you are interested to know what all products I used to create this look, and if you want to know my first impressions on all those products, please keep on watching this video. So as you can see, I have already done my eyebrows because I don't have any new eyebrow product to try. So let's start with the face makeup, and I'll start with the primer, and for that I'm using this primer from Maybelline. It's their Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Primer. They came out with this primer recently only. This is a Matte Plus Poreless version which is good for normal to oily skin. There is one more which is hydrating primer, and that is good for normal to dry skin. I have that primer as well, and I'm planning on doing a comparison between these two primers. So I'll do that later, but for today's video, let's use this Matte Plus Poreless one. By the way, this one retails for 499 rupees, and you get 30 ml of product in this. It comes in this kind of outer packaging. It's a basic cardboard packaging, and this is how it looks from inside. It comes in this very cute tube packaging. The packaging is black and it has this blue stripe here. By the way, sorry for the background sound. There is construction going on near my building, so yeah. Now let's use this. So I'm taking this primer on my fingers. So yeah, this is how it looks like. It feels like a moisturizer, and the consistency is not very thick, but it's kind of a runny consistency, as you can see. So I'm warming up this primer between my fingers. It feels little thick, like not very thick but little thick, and yeah, it mostly feels like a moisturizer. I don't know, it doesn't have that blurry feeling to it. एक जैसे सिलिकॉन बेस्ड प्राइमर होते हैं उसके अंदर आपको एक सिलिकॉन की फीलिंग आती है, राइट? It doesn't have that feeling to it. It feels more of like moisturizing primer to me. I'm not sure whether it has silicone on it. Yeah, it says dimethicone, so it has silicones, but it doesn't have that feeling of silicone to it. I'm taking a little bit more of this, slightly more, and I'll apply on this area, like on my T-zone, where I have like more pores, and on the smile line, because I generally crease in my smile lines. My foundation generally crease there. So you can see that it is providing a mattifying effect to the skin, but my pores are still visible, so I don't think it will make your skin poreless like they claim matte plus poreless. It is matte, like it is making my skin looking matte, but it doesn't fill pores, and it feels little bit hydrating on the face. Next to foundation, I have this foundation from Color Bar. It's their 24 hours weightless liquid foundation. They launched this foundation long time back, and I wanted to try this foundation, but it is very expensive. This one retails for 995 rupees, and you get 25 ml product in this. But they came out with a huge range of shades in this foundation. I guess there are 15 or 20 shades available. That is still huge range for Color Bar, honestly. Like they used to come with 4 shades, 5 shades, something like that, but this time they came out with a huge range of shades. So I wanted to try this foundation, but since it was expensive for a drugstore brand, I didn't buy this foundation, didn't try this foundation. But during the Nykaa's summer sale, there was 25% or 30% discount on this foundation, so I got this. So I got this one in the shade 4.1. I'm not sure about the shade, like I'm not sure whether it will match me or not. मैंने इसको swatch करके नहीं देखा था. So this is how it looks like. It comes in this tube packaging. The packaging is actually very good. Like it is a tube packaging, and you get this pump here. So it's very convenient to use because of this tube packaging. Travel friendly है, and ये pump की वजह से भी it's very convenient. So I like the packaging, और ये outer packaging भी इसकी काफ़ी अच्छी है. Now let's use this foundation. It's been around 2 minutes or something since I've applied the primer, so we can use the foundation now. I'm taking the foundation on back of my hand. I'm not sure how much I need, so I took this much. I think shade will be okay, not sure. So I'm using this sponge to apply the foundation. The shade might be little light for me, but we'll see. This is how this foundation looks on my face. I have kind of applied 2 pumps of this foundation. It's definitely not a full coverage foundation, but you can build up the coverage. It gives like medium to buildable coverage. I have applied like 2 pumps on my face and I could see that I could build up the coverage with this foundation, but it's not a full coverage foundation. It won't give you full coverage. Also, as they claim, it is actually a very weightless foundation. It feels very comfortable on the face. It's not feeling heavy. It's not a hydrating foundation for sure, but it is not matte as well. It's like somewhere in between. It's kind of a natural finish foundation. It will give you a natural finish. So yeah, it looks good. Also, this foundation was very easy to blend and very easy to work with, and this shade also matches me pretty well. I was not sure about the shade. मुझे लगा था थोड़ा light हो जाएगा, but this shade actually matches me really well. So as for first impression, I can say that it's a natural finish, good foundation. Like it can be a good foundation for daily use. So yeah, for now I like this foundation. Next for concealer, I have this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This is not the first time I'm using this concealer. I have used this concealer in the past as well, but the shade which I had was wrong. I had very light shade, so I wanted to try this shade, the shade 312. This concealer is supposed to be a dupe of Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm not able to open it. Okay, there's something wrong. Okay, so I give up. I'm not able to open it. I'll have to ask my husband to open it. So I'll be back in a second. Strange perks of having husband. So it's finally open. So it comes with this large doe foot applicator similar to the Tarte Shape Tape. Okay, let's use this. I hope this shade will be right. Yeah, it's a good shade. So I'm applying it like this. I'll also apply in the inner corner because ये part जो है ना, I generally miss and I have darkness on that path. I'm using this brush to blend it. By the way, it's a very thick, creamy concealer. I think I've applied more. Little goes a long way with this concealer, I can see. Okay, I'll go over with the sponge so that it will pick up the excess product. But can you see the coverage? It gives full coverage. So yeah, I think it's a good concealer. It gives a very nice coverage, full coverage actually. Now let's quickly set this concealer with a powder, and for that I'll be using this powder from K Beauty. It's their matte compact powder. I've already used their loose powder, but this compact powder they launched some time back, and this also, like, I was not sure whether I want to purchase this or not, but then I saw a lot of reviews and people were raving about this powder. So finally I gave in and I bought this powder this time during the sale. I bought one more powder, which is this one from Nykaa. It's the all day matte compact powder. ये भी compact powder ही है Nykaa का, and it's a very affordable powder. So I thought मैं इन दोनों का comparison video बनाऊंगी. As you can see, दोनों काफी similar दिखते हैं दिखने में. Like packaging काफी एक जैसी है, एक ही जैसे कलर है इनके. So I wanted to do a comparison between these two powders. So I'll do that maybe in some other video, but in this video let's try this one. So I got this shade 100N Light. I was very confused about this shade. मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कौन सा शेड परचेज करूँ, एंड जो भी शेड मुझे लग रहा था मुझे सूट करेगा, जब मैंने उसके रिव्यूज़ देखे, दूसरे लोगों को यूज़ करते हुए देखा, तो आई थॉट कि वो डार्क हो जाएगा मेरे लिए. सो फाइनली आई गॉट this shade, and this is a very light shade for me. At least it doesn't matches my skin tone, but I can still use this as a highlighting powder. So the price is not mentioned on the outer packaging like any other product of K Beauty. I think it retails for some 700 or 800 or something, and it comes in this packaging, standard K Beauty packaging. उनके जो भी powder product हैं वो इसी तरह की packaging में आते हैं, like blush, highlighter, सबकी packaging इसी तरह की है. And this also comes in this packaging, and when you open it you have this plastic film, and this is how it looks like. You have this very nice mirror here. It doesn't come with any sponge anyway. Who uses those sponge? वो waste ही होते हैं. तो let's use this, and as you can see it's very light, so I'll use this as a highlighting powder anyway. So I'll just make sure there are no creases. I don't have any new contour or bronzer product to try in today's video, so I'll be using this Nykaa Contour palette, Nykaa Contour and Conquer palette. I used to love this palette, and somehow I stopped using it. Like I was using some other products and I stopped reaching out to it, so I thought कि आज इसको try कर ही लेते हैं. And I'm using this brush. This brush is from BH Cosmetics. It was part of some set, and the number is 3. नेक्स्ट आई हैव दिस ब्लश फ्रॉम वेट एंड वाइल्ड इन द शेड मेलो वाइन. ये वाला फॉर्मूला मैं ऑलरेडी ट्राई कर चुकी हूँ. आई हैव अदर शेड्स इन दिस फॉर्मूला, द सेम फॉर्मूला, बट द पैकेजिंग इज लिटिल डिफरेंट. द पैकेजिंग ऑफ दोज ब्लश इज लाइक रेक्टेंगुलर पैकेजिंग, बट दिस वन इज राउंड पैकेजिंग. बट आई थिंक द फॉर्मूला इज सेम, एंड आई वॉन्टेड टू ट्राई दिस शेड मेलो वाइन फ्रॉम क्वाइट सम टाइम. बट ना आई थिंक ये वाला शेड कभी भी नायका पे अवेलेबल नहीं था, तो आई बॉट दिस फ्रॉम HOK मेकअप. सो दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. Now let's apply it. It's a very nice shade. Now let's do the eye makeup, and then we'll come back to face. And for eyeshadow today I'll be using this eyeshadow from Faces Canada. It's their Ultime Pro eyeshadow palette, and this one is in the variant Rose. So they have like 3 variants in it. I got the variant Rose, and this one retails for 999 rupees. I actually wanted to buy this palette when I started my channel, but somehow I didn't buy it. और उसके बाद मैंने कई बार ट्राई किया, बट कभी मैं परचेज ही नहीं कर पाई इस पैलेट को. सम और अदर रीज़न, मतलब किसी और किसी वजह से मैं जस्ट ड्रॉप कर देती थी आइडिया टू परचेज दिस. बट फाइनली आई गॉट दिस, एंड दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक नाउ. पहले ये पैलेट ना मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा excite करता था, but now I don't think it excites me that much, because I have seen this kind of color story, I have used these kind of shades. So yeah, I think that's why I didn't purchase it. But I think there was some offer going on, and I was purchasing few products from Faces Canada, तो उसके साथ I think buy 2 get 1 free or something, some kind of scheme was going on, some deal was going on, so that time I purchased this. So it comes with this very stupid applicator. I'm sure I'm gonna throw it. So this is how it looks like. Let's see what we can create with this. I actually remember this palette to have good color scheme, but somehow when I'm looking at it now, I'm thinking, why did I purchase this palette? It looks so boring to me now, but now we have to use it, so let's use this palette. So first I'm taking this grey shade. I'm using the brush from pack 165. I'll apply this shade in my crease. I'm applying this only on the outer part of the crease, not taking all the way to the inner corners. Next I'm using this shade, and this time I'm using this brush from Pro Art P19. I'll apply this shade in the inner part of the crease. Also I'll apply the same shade on the lids. Going back to that darker shade again, just increasing the intensity of this. Next I'm using this shade. I'm using this shade as a transition shade. Next I'm using this purple shade. This is the only shade which is actually attractive in this whole palette, and I want to use this shade as a liner, so that's why I'm using this brush. It's a liner brush again from BH Cosmetics. I'm taking this shade on top of the brush. I'm using this dry only. If I need, I'll wet this. So इसकी पिगमेंटेशन उतनी अच्छी आ नहीं रही है when I'm using it dry. So let's try to wet it and use it. I'll just use a setting spray for that, and I'm using this one. This is from Maybelline. This is the setting spray which I'll use in the future part of the video. But let's spray it. It is better but not great. Okay, let's try something else. I'm taking a little bit of setting spray on the lid here, dipping the brush. Let's see if that works. So yeah, this is how it looks. I think for the first time this liner on this eye looks better than the liner of this eye. Generally right side वाला liner easily apply हो जाता है, left eye पे apply करना थोड़ा difficult होता है, but this time I think this one looking better than this one. But overall this eyeshadow palette, I'm not very impressed with the eyeshadow palette. It is very boring palette. It was very difficult to create a good eye look with this palette, but somehow I could achieve this look, and I think it's looking decent. Shadows बहुत अच्छे से perform नहीं करते हैं. Like it doesn't have these shades doesn't have a good pigmentation, but you'll have to build up the color with the shade. They are not patchy, तो easily blend तो हो जाते हैं. Like I have used like couple of shades from this palette. They are not very well pigmented. You'll have to work with this, and they are easy to blend, but still I don't think they show up very well on the eyes. You'll have to work a lot with these shades. I have not used any metallic shades, so let's swatch one or two shades. They are very wet. Okay. I didn't use metallic shades, and metallic shades ही लग रहा है काफी अच्छे से pigmented हैं. Okay, fine. I'll use one of this shade in the inner corners, but let's complete the eye look. I forgot to apply anything on my lower lash line, so let's use this shade which I applied in the crease, and I'll apply this on the outer part of the lower lash line, very close to the lower lash line. By the way, the brush which I'm using is Morphe M508 for this. Next I'm taking this shade on the same brush, and this one I'll apply in the inner part of the lower lash line. I want to use some fluffy brush, so I'm going back to this brush, the PAC 165, taking the same shade, and I'll just blend this. Okay, now let's use one of the metallic shades. I'm using this shade. I'll apply this shade in my inner corners, and I'm using the brush PAC 082. It's a very good inner corner brush. Okay, so this color is not showing up much, so I'm going to this shade. I'll use the same shade to highlight my brow bones. So I think metallic shades perform better than the matte shades in this palette. I used only this one, but it's very buttery and very well pigmented, and it is looking really nice. Now for kajal, I have this kajal from Nykaa. It's their Black Magic Kajal. It's very affordable kajal. This retails for 170 rupees. They launched this kajal sometime back only. This is like a kind of a new launch, not a very new launch, but yeah, new for me. I bought this because it was very affordable. This is what it looks like. Oh wow, it's very pigmented. Okay, so for liner, I have this liner again from Maybelline. It's their tattoo liner, tattoo high impact liner. We don't need liner with this look, but I just want little bit, I want to apply a liner very close to the upper lash line. Sorry, I had to be so close to my mirror to do this. Now to set this makeup, I am using this makeup fixer from Maybelline. It's their lasting fix, yeah, makeup setting spray matte finish, and this is how it looks like. I really like this lilac purple packaging, and this one retails for 599 rupees. It's a very good price for a setting spray, and you get 60 ml of product in this. I think this is one of their new launches, I'm not sure. So it has a very nice spray. I don't have any new highlighter to try, so I'm using this highlighter from PAC. It's their Bake highlighter in the shade BK12. For mascara, I'm using this Maybelline Corrosion mascara. Obviously, this is not a new launch, new product, but I used this mascara like long back, and I wanted to use this again, so that's why I bought it. Now let's finish off this look with a lipstick, and for that I have this lipstick from e.l.f. Cosmetics. It's their liquid matte lipstick, and this one is in the shade Mauvelius. So let's use this one, and this one retails for 800 rupees. Oh my god, e.l.f. is so expensive in India. I don't know why. Like उनके prices ना कुछ ज़्यादा ही है. Maybelline भी एक drug store brand है US का, and US में e.l.f. is much cheaper than Maybelline, but India में Maybelline is much cheaper than e.l.f. I don't know why. So let's use this. Okay, it's a nude shade, so I want to use this lip liner with it. So that it will match a little bit with the eye look, and this one is Nykaa Lips Don't Lie liner, and this one is in the shade Heartbreaker. Okay, now let's use this lipstick. So yeah guys, this is the final look. Now let's go over all the products I used to create this look one by one, and I'll give you like quick reviews. So first was this primer. It's a good primer. It provides a very nice mattifying effect to the skin. I can see my face is still looking matte, and it is little bit hydrating as well, but it doesn't fill your pores. So that claim it doesn't hold. And ये कितना long lasting बनाएगा makeup को, that we'll see. I'll be wearing this makeup for rest of the day, and I'll let you know कि कितना long lasting बनाता है makeup को. Next was this foundation. It's a good foundation guys. It provides a medium to buildable coverage, and it feels very comfortable on the skin. Like I don't feel I feel like I'm wearing foundation, but it doesn't feel heavy, not like it's uncomfortable to wear. So it's very comfortable, and yeah, the coverage is like medium to buildable coverage, and the finish is very good. Like it's not matte, it's not hydrating, it's a natural finish foundation, and I think it's a good foundation. Now this concealer, it's a very good concealer. It gives you a full coverage. It's very easy to work with this concealer. It is little thick and creamy. It's thick, that's why it gives you a better coverage, but it's not uncomfortable. It is thick, but it's not heavy. So it's still a good concealer, and this shade is finally matches me, and I'm very happy with this shade. I'm looking forward to try this concealer more because yeah, मेरे को बहुत टाइम से यूज़ करना था ये, and it finally worked well for me. And I don't see it is creasing much on the eyes now, which proves that this powder is really good. इसने काफ़ी अच्छे से कंसीलर को सेट कर दिया है. कंसीलर अभी तक तो क्रीज नहीं हुआ है आईज के नीचे, और यहाँ पे भी बिल्कुल क्रीज नहीं हुआ है फाउंडेशन. सो या, आई थिंक इट सेट्स द कंसीलर रियली वेल. It has a good coverage, and yeah, I think it's a good foundation, sorry, powder. Next, what, yeah, this eyeshadow palette. This is not good eyeshadow palette. Like, I'm not at all impressed with this eyeshadow palette. Lately I'm not finding Faces Canada product from Faces Canada performing good. Somehow जितने भी products मैंने recently try किए, उनके एक उनका ट्रायो भी ट्राई किया था मैंने, blush, bronzer and highlighter palette, and I was not very happy about that with that palette as well. And this also is like okayish kind of palette. It's the color scheme is very boring. You don't have any exciting colors to use in this palette, and there are very limited looks I think you can create with this palette. There are less matte shades, like couple of matte shades are there, rest of the shades are metallic shades. Metallic shades की pigmentation काफ़ी अच्छी है. जब मैंने swatch किया तो metallic shades की pigmentation अच्छी है. Matte shades like okay kind of perform करते हैं. You'll have to work with the matte shades to get a better pigmentation. Now this mascara, yeah, everyone knows that this is a good mascara. I don't need to tell anything about this mascara. Now this kajal, the kajal from Nykaa, it's a good kajal. It's very creamy. The pigmentation is really good. It was very easy to apply. Like पहली application में it gave a very good pigmentation, and it was not at all irritating to my eyes. My eyes are very sensitive, so I think it was a good kajal. I have this here, so let's see whether it smudges or not. It is actually smudging a little bit, so yeah, I think it's not a smudge proof kajal, but थोड़ा ही smudge हो रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं, but still I don't think it's a smudge proof kajal. This liner, this tattoo liner from Maybelline, it's a good liner. Like, it gives you very precise application because of this felt tip here. It's like a pen liner. So because of this pen liner, it's very easy to control the application. I wanted to apply very thin liner, and I could do that with this. So yeah, it's a good liner. The pigmentation is good, and it looks matte as well. Now about the lipstick, it's a good lipstick. The applicator of this lipstick is really good, as you can see. It comes with this teardrop applicator, so it holds a lot of product. तो काफ़ी अच्छी coverage मिल जाती है एक ही बार में lips पे. And इसकी consistency ना थोड़ी सी thicker side पे. It's not very liquidy, and it's a transfer proof lipstick. As you can see, ये जो थोड़ा बहुत transfer हुआ है, ये liner का transfer है, which I applied. This one from Nykaa, but ये lipstick जो है वो transfer proof lipstick है, and it's very comfortable to wear. It's not feeling dry on the lips. जनरली जो ट्रांसफर प्रूफ लिपस्टिक होती है ना, वो थोड़ा ड्राई फील होती है लिप्स पे, बट अभी तक तो ये ड्राई नहीं फील हो रही है. सो इट्स वेरी कंफर्टेबल टू वेयर. सो या गाइस, दैट्स ऑल आई हैड टू से. और या, ये फिक्सर, मेकअप फिक्सर, दिस इज ऑल्सो गुड फिक्सर. इसका स्प्रे ना काफ़ी अच्छा है. कितना लॉन्ग लास्टिंग बनाएगा मेकअप को, दैट वी विल सी, बट फॉर नाउ एज अ फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन आई थिंक इट्स अ गुड मेकअप फिक्सर, एंड द प्राइस इज ऑल्सो गुड. So yeah, those were all the products I used to create this look, and that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video and this look which I've created. If you liked it, please like and share this video. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be notified for my future uploads. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.